Hello, everyone. Good evening to everyone who's present here today. So, as you all are aware, that today we'll be talking about how to deploy Elastic in Azure. For that, we have with us Ashish Tiwari, who's a senior developer advocate Elastic, and who will be taking you through this session today. I hand over the virtual stage to Ashish now.
Wow, cool. Hey guys, thanks Anamika for a warm welcome. It's been the cold has increased in Mumbai, and and thanks for the time, guys. You guys are attending at a Saturday evening. You might have a plans for a weekend, I know, but yes, thanks for thanks to the this Azure developer community to giving me the opportunity to present against you guys. So yeah, this is totally pleasure of mine. So let's start, I think, without wasting any time. So I'll share my screen for the slides. Okay, Anamika, just you can confirm, yeah, if it's okay, and there is a no lag. Cool. Uh, okay, guys. The today's talk is on deploy Elastic on Azure, and I'm a little bit new on Azure, to be honest. But yes, I have gone through the some of the stuff which I need to deliver today. So yes, I got the idea, and I'm working on Elastic stacks from a past 2 3 years. So having an idea how it works and everything. So I'll try my best to give whatever I have and whatever I have a knowledge regarding Elastic integration with the Azure. So we will start with this. I'll start with my bio. Basically, I am Ashish. Of course, you
Uh,
got the name. Hello.
Ashish, sorry to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt
Sure.
you. Actually, your screen is not shared. Can you share your screen again?
Just a minute. Yeah, just confirm if I think I have a something problem. Just let me know. Um, just allow me some time.
No problem, no problem.
Yep. Just allow me a minute, guys. Screen is visible, right?
Yes, now it is visible.
Cool. So sorry guys, it's my bad. I didn't test, and StreamYard is pretty new for me. So yes, I'm done with the things, and let's start where we drop. Yes. So I was telling, we are going to talk on like Elastic, how the basically the Elastic stack, how we can deploy on Azure. But yes, of course, we have a limitation of a time, so I'm going to give the demo of the one or two, but not the all. So yeah, I'm from Mumbai, India based, and I am a developer advocate from Elastic. It's I have recently joined. It's been a month, but yeah, I was using the Elasticsearch and Elasticsearch since past 2 3 years. So I have a basic idea, like how how the flow is working. I also worked on to migrate my MySQL from to Elasticsearch. So I got the experience on a Elastic Stack, how Logstash, how you can configure with the file beats and Logstash, Kibana, and everything. So apart from this, I have a 6+ years of experience in the software and email industry. I've been a startup guy where I have weird multiple hats, like a marketing support guy, system design, system architect, and programmer, coder, whatever you say. So yes, I'm a community lover as well. I like to interact with the community, like to speak tech, whatever knowledge I have, like to share. So you can anytime reach to me on a Twitter. This is my Twitter handle, and I have my personal blog, ashish.one. You can anytime visit and just take a look. Okay, so what topic we are going to cover in that? The discussion on what is Elastic. Like I'm not going in a depth because I know you already must have knowing what is Elastic as a company and what is Elastic Stack. But yeah, I'll give you the overview. What is Elastic Solutions. After that, we will check what is Elastic Stacks. And after that, we have a demo session on where we are going to deploy Elasticsearch on Azure. So after the deployment, we are going to explore the or visualize the whole data on a Kibana. And the most exciting thing is we are going to push my this local machine metric system metric to the new deployed Elasticsearch. So let's go through it. Okay, the what is Elastic? Elastic is basically a search company. We provide the different types of search use cases, search solution for the different use cases. Uh, in today's world, everything is a search. If you say if you go online shopping, like a shopping website like Amazon, Flipkart, you just have to type and the product list is coming. So everything is a search. You want to search logs, you want to grab something in the Linux environment, that is also nothing but the search. So search is a the important part in the technology. It might be a Netflix, it might be a Prime. Take any platform, there is search is always. So the Elastic is giving the some kind of like different kind of the solutions where you can fit this for the specifically the search use case. So like some of the example is whenever you book the Uber, and it search for near the cabs available about you, near about you. So this helps with the this take the help for of the Elasticsearch, and it's give the best result. So in Elasticsearch, it's basically schema. It's a schema free data storage. You can store any type of data. You don't need to the specify the the schema should be like this and this, like the SQL and RDBMS. But yes, if you have a specific requirement, then you have to define something. So the Uber is one of the example. After that, Tinder, of course, we know, just left swipe, right swipe. It's give the relevant match. It is also empowered by Elasticsearch. It's give the location based search. So yes, it is a possible because of the Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch is because it's give the access to the data for a read in the next to the real time. So I think hardly it's a 1 second after insert the data, and your data will be ready for read. So you can do the query and just extract the data. So yes, Tinder is one of the example. After that, we have these some of these big giants who using the Elasticsearch, like eBay is using for a centralized logging system. So we having a wonderful blog on our website for eBay, where the whole use case has been explained, and you can go through this. They have explained wonderfully. You will get the idea. So similarly, Cisco is using for the to detect the security threats, anomalies, uh, fraud detection, and everything. So every brand has a different use cases, and you can check more on elastic.co/customers. We have listed a different kind of use cases, and anything, of course, all will be helpful for you. You can just learn. So let's talk about the Elastic solution. Elastic as a company is now it's giving the three major solutions on the enterprise search: observability, security. Enterprise search is, it's a more specific to the search. Let's say app search, like app search, workplace search, site search. So when we say workplace search, the workplace search is something like you have an organization, and you have obtained Google Drive, G Suite Drive, and let's say Confluences, GitHub. There is a lots of tool is using in a one umbrella. So if you want to search something across the platform, then you can use this workplace search. So it will give the very good result. It will search across the platform, so which you will going to integrate. In app search, yes, the app search is a more specific to the like your application search. Let's say e-commerce website, you want to search t-shirt with the red color, with the medium size. The more granular you want to search it, the app search will help you to build this kind of the solution around your application. Okay, the this is my favorite site search. Site search is nothing but just it will we have our crawl engine, and what you want to do, you just put in Elastic Cloud, you just put your URL, like let's say Ashish www.ashish.one, and just press the button crawl. Our crawl engine will crawl your all data, especially on a static website and everything, and it will store in Elasticsearch. By visiting to the Kibana, you can just explore these all kind of the data, and similar, and at the same point, site search will give you the embedded JavaScript which you can integrate in your application, and your search box is ready for a solution. So this is as simple as it is. You can just go through on a cloud, and you will get the idea how site search is done. Even you can do the demo. Okay, the another solution is the observability. Observability, in organization, you must have seen there is a multiple a functional area. Let's say admin team, infrastructure development team, monitoring team, business team, and every team has their own dashboard. They every team has their own technique to collect the metrics, or collect information, and then they use a different tool for a visualization. So let's suppose if you want to take the whole overview of what's going on, then it's sometimes it's become pretty difficult, because everyone using a different platform, and data is being distributed. So Elastic as observability give the solution where your all data is going to store in a single powerful data store, which is the Elasticsearch. So you can, because it's a schema free, so you can definitely you can log, you can ingest any type of data. It might be log data, it might be metrics, it might be APM, uptime, business, whatever you want. Even you can, this is some kind of the example I'm giving you. You can ingest the data according to your use case as well. So of course it's not that hard, but yes, you can just explore how this flow works and you will get it. The third solution is which is provided by the Elastic. It is a security, basically SEIM and an endpoint security event, the information management. Because Elasticsearch is a real time. It's a prevent, it's detect the something, if there is something threat or something in the real time, and it will respond. So you can, let's suppose there is a DDoS attack, something like this DDoS attack is coming, and you can just put the threshold. If the traffic is go went up beyond this threshold, so you should get the alert. So this is the one of the example I have given. Similarly, you can detect the anti-malware, uh, uh, anti-malware, and the, the threats, the the any something suspicious traffic. You can, yes, you can monitor all kind of this stuff with the Elastic Solution Security. Yeah, it's a search and analyze all of your data, no matter what is the volume, what is the variety. As I said, the Elasticsearch is very, um, let's say it's a schema free. So yes, you can insert any kind of data. It might be not what we can say. Uh, it's not like you should provide the data in the such format or something. There is a totally freedom. You can leverage the Elasticsearch. Okay, so this solution is possible by these stacks. You must have known like a Kibana, Elasticsearch, Beats, Logstash. Kibana is majorly used for visualizing and managing. We will check one by one in the next slides. Elasticsearch, as I already explained in the previous slide, it's a data store and a search engine. Beats is the something, but something data shipper. So it is something, provides the small beats which take the data, pull the data, and it will push to the Elasticsearch. And Logstash is a something like, it is a ETL tool, uh, like extract, transform, and push kind of this. So let's check the Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is a distributed search engine, of course, data store as well. Some people use as a database as well, like they use as a primary data store, and it's giving the high availability and high performance. The high availability because it is a distributed system, and it's give the replica solution, so your data will be replicate and it will be stored in a multiple nodes. So if your one node got failed, then you don't need to worry, your data will be saved there and your system will be up. So that's why it's a high availability and high performance both. Of course, it's a no SQL. There is a no structure, and the data is stored in the form of indexes and shards. So basically data is stored like a JSON based document. You can just you can just make a search query and you will get the whole JSON. For the query, the Elasticsearch have provided the REST APIs. You can just hit by using curl, or we have a multiple clients available for the different languages: Java, PHP, Node, Go. So you can just explore on our Elastic GitHub. You will get the all clients, and as well as you will get the all document how you can hit the query. So if you want to explore more, you can just simply visit this link. I'm going to share this deck with the Sarthak. He will share you. So yes, Kibana is a data visualization. It will give you the metric charts, data table, dashboards. You can make your own dashboards according to your specific requirement. Uh, yeah, the main advantage of this is it's come with the pre-configured dashboard. So let's say you have used Beats for collecting the Nginx logs, and so there is in a metric bit there is a module Nginx. I'm just giving the example. So when you enable that module, the metric bit automatically install the dashboard object in a Kibana, and you will get the pre-configured Nginx dashboard. You don't need to make by yourself. So we have tried to cover each and every use case, the popular use case: Nginx, Apache, MySQL, MongoDB, lots of module available, and as well as their dashboard also available on the on the Kibana side. So you just explore. You will get the pre-configured dashboard. It's also provide the developer console where you can just do the query, run the query profiler. If any query taking time, you want to profile some query, yeah, you can do it from the Kibana. So just visit this link for a many more feature. Beats, as I said, it is a lightweight data shipper. It's written in Golang, some of the written in Scala or something. For logs, it's like for logs, metrics, and network ping data, any kind of the data. This kind of data you can use for beats. There is a beats available metric beat, which extract the system metrics, like a network beat. It extract the network information, and as well there is a multiple beats are available. So as I given the example in the previous modules like Nginx, MySQL, Redis modules are already available. If you want to monitor these kind of the tool, you just have to enable that particular module, and it will start collecting the metric for that particular tool, and it will push into the Elasticsearch. Yes, beats also could process the data, but yes, like if you have a something, JSON log file, if you are logging in a JSON format, it will read the JSON log, and it will transform the data, and it will push in the Elasticsearch. So while pushing, beats makes their own indexes, which is pre-configured. It will create their own schema. You don't need to worry about it. It automatically handles. So you can check more beats about on GitHub. This is the link. uh, yeah, but another is a log stash, which is the primary work is the collect, pass, and transform. Of course, it's a ETL. uh, there is a 250 plus plugin is already written for a log stash. So let's suppose if you have one use case, and where you want to use a log stash, so just check whether the plugin is available or not. Already community has developed multiple plugins for this. You can leverage that, and our team is there. You can just take any guidance from different forums, because there is already pre-built solution are available. So yes, Logstash has the ability to queue the data and data pipeline. You can check more on this. Okay, so let's go through the Elastic approach on a different types of deployment. So we have Elastic Cloud, which is the SaaS. It's a cloud.elastic.co. Also the Elastic Cloud Enterprise, and it provides the orchestration Elastic Cloud on Kubernetes. You can spin your Elastic Cloud on a Kubernetes. Also, it is available on a Azure, and you can download and install the independent Elasticsearch or any Elastic Stack, and you have to self manage that. So just you need to take care of the all operation and everything in a Elastic Cloud. You will get the everything on the screen, just few clicks, and your operation will be done. So yes, so finally we have came on a demo. Let's check with a quick demo, and I'll go through that. So just let's say we are going to deploy Elasticsearch on Azure platform. So let's go to the Azure marketplace first. We'll just go to the shop now. Okay, so here Elastic Cloud is already uh, giving this. It comes in a suggestion, but you can search from here as well. So I'm going to directly select this. So there is a two types of Elasticsearch is present here. One is the Elastic Cloud, and there is another Elasticsearch is comes with which comes with a self-managed. So I'm going to give the demo of this Elastic Cloud so that you will get the idea how we can deploy this on a Azure, and for the maintenance and for the operational purpose, how we can use our Elastic Cloud platform. So I'm just uh, logging with my personal account. Okay, cool. Set up plus subscribe. Okay, so you can make the resource group, but I have already make one resource group meetup. Under this, I am going to create my resource. So I'll just put my name, Azure Elastic. Wait, yes, one. Okay, uh, we will just create. Here's all the information you can check. The size of the deployment: 16 GB RAM, 480 GB storage. I'll simply create it. So with these few clicks, you are able to spin your Elasticsearch instance. Yeah, now it's deployment is in progress. It can take 3 to 4 minutes to get deployed. So till this process is going on, let's explore something. What we can say, the another approach. Let's see. I'm going on a cloud dot elastic dot co. So there is a two approach. There is a two approach. Just a minute. Okay, so one is we are going from Azure, and we have deployed from there, which yeah, this process is going on. And another is you can directly go on a cloud.elastic.co. I'm going to log in with this my account. So yes, you will be in. So even if you don't have an account on Azure, you can still deploy your the Elasticsearch instance on a Azure platform. So I'll show you how. So this is one of the deployment I already created, but let's create the another one. So here in setting, you can just choose Azure, choose the region. Let's say I'm choosing the Texas. Yep. So you can also here choose like whatever the case is a fit for your use case. The memory optimize, I optimize, but yeah, I'm choosing this default. I'm clicking the deployment. So this deployment also is going to create on the Azure side. So it display this username and a password. I'm going to download this. This is a credential which we have created cloud.elastic.co. But for this we will get another credential, and the both account is different. So just make sure if you are sign up in a Azure with the one email address, that same email address should not be signed up on a cloud.elastic.co. So it will be conflict, so your both email address should be different if you are taking both approach. So yeah, it will take I think 4 to 5 minutes. They have written. So meanwhile we can explore the other things. Okay, so this is something I have already created my deployment, and let's check what is there. Okay, this is a Kibana dashboard for a particular my deployment, which is a pre-build. I'm going on a manage this deployment. Yeah, so my deployment I have already created in the past. So this is like one of the screens showing. You can just check the Elasticsearch endpoint, cluster ID, Kibana, and the APM fleet, etc. Whatever you want to explore. This is my cloud ID. You can explore the instances, which instance is located where. Also you can just go through the snapshot if you want to. Just here is the everything on a click. You want to take a you're going to set up the snapshot. Just uh, try this option. It will take snapshot. uh Kibana is there. Enterprise search option is here. You can just explore. You can just one click and the enterprise search will be enabled. Log and metrics. This is the activity log. You can just go through this. So yes, you can just explore these option as well. I'm going to show you the Kibana, how Kibana is looks. So we are also going to explore this all the stuff for which we are deploying here. So oh wow, our deployment has been completed. So we will get back to this. So this is basically a Kibana dashboard, and you can just explore these all are the dashboards, like the metrics. I have uploaded some sample data as well here. Just let me show you. So I had some like flight sample data. So let's check it out. So you can check the flight count, basis of the different cities. Similarly, you can, if you have any use case where you are going to use the map or something, and you want the analytics based on a geographical situation, so you can use this dashboard. The same thing, you can just have one more preloaded data. So this is something e-commerce website, and it shows the city-wise revenue, I think. Yep, sales. Okay, so this is a sample data, and let's move on here, and I will I will show you how we can do this thing from the Azure. So on Azure, as we can see, our deployment has been done. But let's suppose we want to ingest the data. We want to start the data exploring or visualizing. So what we can do, we can just simply click here, add more data source in Elastic. Yep. Now you have to put the same email address which you have signed up on a Azure. So we have a partnership with the Azure, and it will authenticate with this email address from the backend, and it will redirect you to on the same cloud.elastic.co platform. Yep. So this is a first time when you log in the Elastic Cloud. This screen is come. You can explore yourself, but yeah, I'll explore on my way. I'll choose this option. Let's go to the deployment. Okay. So you can see this is the same name which this is the same resource name which we have given on the Azure platform, and the all data has been fetched from Azure to here. Now you can use Elastic Cloud to manage your Elasticsearch instance or any kind of the operation. If you want to perform, you can use this platform, and the Azure will redirect you on the Elastic Cloud. So just let's start with the if you want to, if I want to access my Elasticsearch from the command line, let's see how we can do. So yep, I can go the reset password. Yes. So just I forgot to download my password. I'm just resetting it. I'm downloading it. Just opening the credential. Okay, so this is my password, Elastic user. Now uh, let's simply go to the deployment. Azure Elastic Meetup. I'm going to copy this. Going to my terminal. Okay. Just doing curl. Yep, of course it's not allowing me because it's authentication exception. So I'm going to provide my credential here. you can see our instance is up and it's in green now, so you can perform now query with the help of the curl. You know, the similar when we first time install Elasticsearch on our local, and we try to query from our from the curl. So this is the same you can do here. I can make indices, so you can perform this kind of the queries. This is just an example I have given. Let's get back to our platform. Yes. So yeah. So here you can just explore these all option. I'm not going to I'm not going to explain the each and everything because it's a time consuming. But yes, you can check by yourself, and if you got any doubts, definitely reach to us. We will happy to help you. So here's the deployment is added. Let's go to the Kibana then. Open Kibana. So now we are going to install a metric beat on my local machine. So my local machine's metrics will be collected by the metric beat, and it will push on this Elasticsearch deployment. So let's check it out. Observability. I'm going to the metrics. Okay. So we go to the metric Elastic and just follow this. So I'm going to the documentation. Okay, quick installation and configuration. So I'm using Mac. You can choose your platform and simply copy and paste. So here I am. So it will take some time for a download. That's pretty slow. Okay, while it's in process. Okay, this deployment also ready. This is the second approach which we have taken. So let's just go through this. The platform will be same for both Azure and Elastic Cloud. The major difference is you have to deploy on Azure, okay, and then you can the Azure will redirect you here for to manage the services. Yeah, so it will take time. Cool. This is the same window. Uh, I'm going to check here. You can go in the manage this deployment. Yep, you will get the same window. You will get the same configuration. You can just check the copy. You can just copy the endpoints, all settings, and everything is here. So yeah. So about the metric bit, you can just explore here, and for a metric bit module, you can just go here. There's a module section in the documentation. You can explore different types of module as well. So I'll show you. Yeah. So as you can check, ActiveMQ, Aerospace, Apache, there will be a MySQL, uh, Kafka, HA proxy module. So these are the already pre-built modules are available, as well as it will give you the pre-configured dashboard. You don't need to worry. Just it's like a plug and play. Just enable the module and it will start. Just give the endpoint. It will start collecting the metrics. So yes, we have done with the downloading of the metric bit. Let's jump on another step. Okay, think yeah, I'm going to extract this. Oh, my bad. Just folder. Here's the one metric beat.yml. I can simply going to open this. Yep. Here I need a cloud ID. Sorry. Yep. Here I need a cloud ID and auth. So I'm going to simply copy and paste the auth from here. Mint it. The cloud id information you will get from the same platform. Let's go here. Let's go to manage this deployment. Yeah, so you can see here is my cloud id. You can just paste it. And on the same time, let's configure the Kibana as well. Yep. Just give me the host. Copy the Kibana link. I'm just saving this. I'm going to run. Sorry. So it will take some time. It will start collecting the data and the system info, and it will push on the newly deployed Elasticsearch. So you can check all logs. The connection has been established. So you can run this metric bit as a system D command as well. There is a document is available how you can run as a the specific Linux command like systemctl and a service. So just you can go through the resource and you will get the idea how we can make that. So let's explore Kibana. If we get some, if we get, oh, something is wrong. And Elastic shard unavailable. To check this. Yep, you can see Ashish MacBook Pro dot local. The data has arrived, and this is the same instance which we have created from the Azure, and you can see this is my local machines metric. Sorry. So this is a system metric: CPU utilization, memory utilization, and etc. So going on an overview, let's see if the dashboard has came. Yeah, the dashboard has been built. This is also pre-configured dashboard, nothing I created. Yes, so you can see the CPU 15%, load 1.8, and etc etc. So similar, this is right, this is the real time is going on. Okay, my here the data shipper is working in the real, pushing in a real time, and you can visualize the data. So in the various use cases we have seen, people are monitoring the whole infra with this. You can just keep adding the node. This is a one machine I have added. Let's say if you are an infrastructure monitor like a system admin or something, just install this metric to all machines and give the same the endpoint and as I shown, and you can just have a visual, get the dashboard here, and you can monitor the each and every machine. So it is as simple as it is. And yeah, so similarly you can explore the lots of beats as in the module I already told you. There's a lots of module available. You can explore, you can check with according to your use case. There is a MySQL, CoachDB, MongoDB, Kafka. Just check it out, and you will get the solution. So in the very rare case it's happening, you don't get the the pre-built solution. But we have tried to give the all kind of a solution whatever the tool is available in the market. So we have almost all metric collectors in a form of beats, shippers like this. So yes, I think yeah, let's get back to slides. So this is something we have checked, like we have deployed from the Azure, and the Azure have redirected us on an Elastic Cloud. We have managed the service from over there. And we have checked how metric bit we can install, and we have seen the still data is going on in a real time, and you can explore the data on your Kibana dashboard. So this is the some resources I would like to recommend you. If you go with this link, you will get the proper documentation, how step by step you can go through. There is a chance I have missed something, I have missed some steps, but this document you will get all options. Of course, free platform discuss.elastic.co. It's the forum. This is the official forum. Just come and put your question. There is an Elastic expert. There is an Elastic certified engineer who will happy to assist you in each and every use case, in each and every problem. So just feel free to post your question over there. Community.elastic.co. We are publishing the all events there, which is going to happen. So with the event, I like. In a Feb, we have a community conference, the official Elastic community conference. Please sign up for that, and you will get to know the more use cases of the Elastic. There is a Slack channel as well. You can just come and join the Slack channel. Just put the message, whatever doubts you have. We will try our best to help you out. So yes, I think that's all from my end, and I'm ready for any doubts if you have any question. Thank you, guys. Just let me stop. Cool. Okay. Hi, Sarthak. Hey, Sarthak there. Cool. Sarthak, are you hearing me? Just... Hey, Anamika.
Hey, thank you very much. I don't see any questions in here as of now.
Cool. Okay.
Um, yeah.
Great
So,
then.
if there are any questions, I request you all to post them here. Wait for a minute, huh?
Yep, sure.
And I don't see any questions coming in. So thank you very much for your time, Ashish. I know it's a weekend and it's a
I
Saturday.
know.
And,
Yep.
I hope there's a lockdown over there which has prevented you from going out. So
Got it,
So,
got it. So no, no,
yeah,
it's a pleasure. It's totally mine to speak with you guys. It's an awesome platform and given the opportunity. So I hope I have delivered my whatever topic was there. But just there is my LinkedIn and DM are open. People can reach me anytime with any kind of the problems.
right. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
Yep. Same to you,
Looking
Anamika.
forward.
Bye,
Thank
guys.
you, Sam.
Good day.
Bye. Thanks,